Let's see what happens.
Oh shoot, Amrit, how come? Come on. Go up. Go up.
Ria, we need to calm down.
Oh.
We made the right decision and our balance went up. Hey, you did not sleep? How is it going?
So far, I learned more about what's here on the platform. I also found some information on their blog in the education section. There are a lot of different videos here. I've watched some videos about strategies for beginners as well as experienced traders. While you were still asleep, I funded a real account so we could try it out. But I didn't do anything. I was waiting for you to wake up.
Wait, go back to the balance page. You have $23,000 in your demo account? Where from? How?
While you were sleeping, I was studying. I got so excited about the whole thing. I started trying trading by about 3 a.m. I had a couple thousand in my account. Then I pulled myself together. I watched a few streams, by the way, right on the Binomo channel. I went back to the platform. Small steps, you know. I didn't even notice how the amount grew. I just got carried away. Just a little while back, when I was having a snack, I read more about the Puriya method. I liked it, by the way. There is nothing complicated here. The main thing is to draw the lines correctly and determine the trend of the position.
Ria, I'm amazed. I thought you and I were going to study literature for a long time. And you're learning on your own, like artificial intelligence.
Ouch, what are you doing?
Just checking if you're cyborg. Did you find anything else interesting?
Yeah, of course. There's a lot of information here. Like later in the day, the main market is closed. So the whole chart goes sideways.
Do you know what is it yet?
Of course. This is when the chart goes in smooth lines and takes its time. It is harder to make trades in such a market as there is no understanding of a clear trend. And it is harder to forecast as well. I need to have a clear picture in front of my eyes to make a level-headed decision and without unnecessary stress. Also, proper management of my balance is one of the keys to my success.
What do you mean?
Well, for example, I deposited $100 into my account. By the way, I used your promo code, which was there in the description below the video. I followed the link and got 100% towards my deposit.
You can use my promo code too. Follow the link in the description of this video.
It is not advisable to act on the entire balance amount at once. You should spend a maximum of 10% of the amount. And at the same time, if you want to open several trades, it doesn't matter that you need to enter each of them at 10%. They can also be divided depending on the number of them. And it will be, for example, 3 trades at 3% of the capital or 5 trades at 2% if you manage to keep track of them all.
Yes, that's the beauty of the platform. One of the features is that you can open many small trades at the same time and monitor them all at the same time. All for the different assets that you like. I open 3 to 4 trades at the same time.
I tried a few indicators so far. Moving average, and from that I went straight to the alligator. It is somewhat complicated, but I saw a video on Binomo where they talk about it. I'll watch it later.
I have an interesting strategy. I think you'll like it. It's perfect for a beginner trader like you. Not only does it combine simplicity and efficiency, but only requires one tool. Here, on the platform, we go to the trading tools section. There we find this tool called Parabolic SAR. Now let's install it in our chart. We'll leave the default settings.
You mean it doesn't even need to be customized? It's all set?
Exactly. Now, let's choose this time frame we need. Typically, many who use this strategy go for 15 seconds to 5 minutes. I mostly use 30 seconds to a minute.
How does it work anyway? What does this tool do?
Parabolic SAR is a tool that shows you when the market prices may start moving in different directions, going from the bear market to the bull market and vice versa. You know about them, right?
Yeah, about the bulls and the bears. Yes, I already learned about them. A bullish trend is when assets prices are growing and the trend is moving upward, and a bearish trend is the opposite. Prices are falling and the market, roughly speaking, is falling with it.
You're absolutely right. Let's go back to our indicator. Parabolic SAR, or just parabolic, looks like a series of dots. Traders often consider the first dot that appears at the bottom after they have been all at the top as signaling a reversal, a bullish trend. And the first dot at the top signals a reversal to a bearish trend. Now, let me show you. Look, here the dots are starting to move below the price of the asset. This is a signal, but also it might be a simple coincidence. That's why I always wait for additional 2 to 3 candles to confirm my theory. If our theory is confirmed, then we trade up. Accordingly, if the points begin to move above the price of the asset, the following 2 candles do the same. Then we trade down. That's it. Fast and effective.
Got it. But I don't want to go for such a long time frame yet. I need to get better at smaller time frames first.
Let's switch to the real account. Baby steps. So you have $100 in your account. How many trades will we try at once? 1?
Yeah, let's see how it works on real money first. I'm missing my cricket practice because of this. By the way, we just can't fail.
Well, it's not because of that, but because of the purse. We always keep our goal in the mind. It drives us and motivates us.
Yes, I've almost got everything ready. Let's go for a minute. I remember we shouldn't go for the full amount. The minimum trade amount is $1. Let's try $5 to start. Let's try out the system.
Good. You already know what to click and where. Go ahead. Do it when you're ready.
Amrit, look at how my hands are shaking. It's so exciting and nerve-wracking, but I like it so much.
I know what you mean. Everyone is like that the first time. The important thing now is to not give these emotions and just calmly watch the graph. Come on.
Come on, come on, come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
A little more.
Come on.
More.
Yeah.
Slowly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on.
See? We did it! Yes! Ria, you're going to choke me. Let me breathe a little.
Phew, that was awesome. The combination of adrenaline and frenzied excitement in my blood is off the charts. If you measure my pulse right now, it's like I ran a 100-meter race. Is it like this always? It's just that if it is, it's a pure high.
It's always like this for me. I think back to my first trade and compare it to what I have now. The approaches, the strategy, the tools have changed. But the feeling is the same.
Okay, I want to try more.
Okay, let's take a deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And now, let's analyze. Don't forget about the balance of concentration and courage. The trade closed in the plus side, so our balance is higher than the original. It's your choice here. We can trade with a larger amount, or we can start with the one we just earned and make it higher. Psychologically, you will realize that you have saved your money and it will be easier for you to think and trade.
But the smaller the amount, the smaller the profit, right?
Yes, but we don't do that with all the trades either. For the full amount, we can do this. We increase your original amount by 10 to 15%, keep all the profits in the account and give the original $100 back. Or we leave everything here and continue with what we got.
Let's keep it. I feel like this is going to be a fantastic Tuesday.
Ria, it's Wednesday.
Whatever.